Hello, welcome viewers to my channel. Today, my video is maybe gonna a little bit longer than usual because today we are trying to learn a very normal or f string function. So let's get started. So first, we create a variable, say name, sign it, and let's see, we use our name is Johnny. Okay, now we will print with the help of f string. Okay, so this is hello name. Let's see what will it print. So you can here see we printed here hello Johnny. So we are writing here name, and it is printing Johnny. So f string is use this. So this is a string, so we can use it in also integer and float also. So we will try to little. We will write value signed it 11. Okay, now print f value is value. It will print, definitely it's print 11. Value is 11. So you here you can see it is printing. Here you can see it is printing value is 11. So if we add another, we will select it and we will move this value, we will add it. Okay, we will plus 9. So let's see is it printing or not. Open our program. Oh yes, it is giving 20. So it is you don't need to change again and again here video. You can just change here and it will automatically change here. So in let's move more. uh, so this is called under the bracket flower bracket. This is a placeholder, so you can convert as many as. So if you want to convert a value into the float value, so you can write here this kind of code value. So semicolon. If you want to convert into the point, here you will write a point. And if you want two digits of floats at the end, so you will write 2f. So let's see is it printing our answer in a float value or not. So first we will save it and run it. You can see here it is 11.000. Let's see if we write here 3. So if here I am, I save it and I am running it. So it is given 3 floats. In this way, similar way, if we, for example, uh, here is a number is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, so we want it to in comma separated. So for this we will write print in the bracket f string a then you will write comma separated value is, you will open the brackets and write the num semicolon, and if you want float or otherwise just we want comma, so we will write here. uh, let's check it out, is it bracket is not closed, so we will close our bracket and then save it and try running that our num is separated. Yes, it is separated, but you can see here this is our function f string. So it is very uh, unique and very interesting. I love it to use it many times. So there are so many kinds you can use. You can also use this comma separated value and float value uh, in one line of code. So there are other options also you can use here. So I hope you like this. If you have any query and question, kindly comments. Thank you for watching.